can tie down. And if you see the breeze start, lift up the goat, go inside. Check on your neighbor. If you have cow or even one little bad mind goat, secure them. Cause me not run up and down for nobody animal. Check on the neighbors, especially the elder them. If Miss Iris slip, slide and broke your hip, we in a problem. So hear me now, guys. Stop wait till breeze start kick a banana tree if you get sense. Do your prep from now. Okay, my people, watch the video and see what really I go on stay safe.
So what go on? The water reach pan land already, peeps. Yes, I go travel. See there? So you see all these debris that wash up so far. So you know when Melissa hit, water gonna be all over. Woo! So we're at the seaside. It's very windy right now. It's very windy. So all this water right here, when the storm hit Jamaica, I know for a sure all this water gonna head out all this side on the road right here. A lot of these buildings gonna be covered underneath water when this storm hit, because it's at category 4 right now. So right now, as I was saying, that I was out by Portmore Back Road, Portmore Henderson Road. Further on over that side is back in Kingston. Over this side right here is Port Royal, the airport area. Right? Yeah, it's very windy, so I know when the storm hit, it's gonna be a lot of water. So, and Hurricane Beryl never came into Jamaica, it just passed on the outskirts. But Melissa is coming straight to land. But look what's going on. So right here, so most of these places gonna be washed away. Elsha Beach with the people. Right? This is what taking place. So people are out here trying to put sandbags, blocks on their roof, the zinc roof, so that they don't blow away. So people are trying to secure their investment as much as possible out here by Elsha Beach. So we are walk around, make you guys see. And this is what it did to Daddy Irie place in the last hurricane. So let us see if it's gonna be still standing after Melissa passed through. Alright?
People, look what I go on already. Eh? Look what I go on already. A tree is dropped down, you know. And the hurricane reach yet, you know. Look there. One big piece of branch broke down from up there, so watch your people. You see what I say? Right now.
Pure wind, guys. Rain from bottom, no?
guys. I saw a breeze are going from our side, guys.